are several indicators of a cybersecurity compromise, including suspicious emails, phishing emails, social engineering emails, or emails with suspicious attachment. There may be unusual network traffic, for example, large amounts of incoming or outgoing data, or traffic is coming from suspicious IP addresses or domains. There may be anomalies in privileged user account activities. For example, suspicious activity from privileged user accounts such as multiple login attempts, unusual access patterns, or accessing outside of normal working hours. Then there may be unfamiliar or unknown files or applications or processes running on a system. You may see large number of requests for the same file, a sudden increase in request for the same file from different IP addresses. This indicates that an attempt is going on to download or exfiltrate sensitive data. Another indicator can be mismatched port application traffic, meaning network traffic is using an unusual port or protocol for the application. Another indicator can be about behavior, changes in user behavior or system performance such as slow response time, frequent crashes. It is important to note that these indicators do not necessarily mean that a cyber attack is occurring, but they do indicate that further investigation is needed and we need to have a proper security strategy in place so that we can proactively prevent security compromise and we have a comprehensive security strategy in place to detect, prevent and respond to cyber threats.